Let's be real here. As much as you and I might love cooking, I think it's everyone's fantasy to have a personal chef cooking all of your meals for you, so you only have to cook when you feel like it. Hi, I'm Christine Waltermeyer, the founder of the Natural Kitchen Cooking School. And this is my YouTube channel called Christine's Natural Kitchen. I love making healthy food delicious. And that's exactly what I've done over the years, both as a cooking teacher and as a personal chef. So what are some of the reasons that people hire a personal chef? Number one, a personal chef will help you to get healthy or stay healthy. You might get food from an all-organic, high-quality restaurant, but they're still producing food in huge batches, and it's just not the same as homemade food. A personal chef can prepare meals that taste like restaurant quality, but made with the best ingredients personally chosen just for you and your family. When food is this personalized, you can skip any ingredients that you don't like or that you're allergic to, and include exactly the type of ingredients you prefer. So this allows you to follow any kind of specialty diet like vegan, low sodium, paleo, clean eating, etc. Number two, it saves your time and energy. Even if you love cooking, let's just be honest and admit that it is an investment of time and does create a lot of dirty dishes. Especially with young children, moms can find themselves spending all day in the kitchen. Personal chefs are also becoming really popular among seniors who might have limited stamina or just lack of interest to cook for themselves anymore. Having a personal chef in both of these scenarios ensures that everyone will still eat good quality, homemade food while getting to just relax and enjoy doing other activities. Reason number three to hire a personal chef is the money you'll save on takeout food and eating in restaurants. Depending on the personal chef fee, it might seem like it's out of your budget, but if you add up the cost of eating in restaurants and to-go food, you might be surprised how much you're already spending every week. And you can reallocate that money into having a personal chef cook for you. One bonus reason to hire a personal chef, at least at the time of this video, is that it's a safe option during a pandemic. Your personal chef will arrive fully masked, and you're only dealing with one person who does the shopping, the cooking, and the cleanup. With the busy pace of restaurant kitchens, it can be hard to maintain social distancing, mask wearing, and other safety measures. In fact, according to a recent article in the Washington Post, the National Restaurant Association and various state governments are issuing general guidelines for restaurant safety. But most of what they're recommending is optional. And even when safety precautions are the law, that doesn't mean they're always followed when the kitchen gets hammered. When you hire a personal chef, on the other hand, they're cooking right there in your own kitchen, so you can observe that they're upholding all of the safety guidelines when it comes to the current pandemic, or just generally speaking. So let's recap the 3 reasons to hire a personal chef. Number 1, a personal chef cooking for you can help you to stay healthy, eating freshly prepared, nourishing food. Number 2, a personal chef saves you time and energy for other activities and enjoying life. And reason number 3 is that a personal chef saves money on eating in restaurants and ordering takeout food. Our bonus reason to hire a personal chef is safety during a pandemic and knowing who's cooking your food. Now that you know the reasons people hire a personal chef, you might be wondering how to hire a personal chef yourself. That's going to be my next video in the making, so stay tuned. Comment below if you've ever hired a personal chef or if you're thinking of hiring a personal chef. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more weekly videos, which are generally cooking videos, but I thought I'd take time to give you insight into the personal chef industry and how it can benefit you, since it's a popular option these days for anyone who wants to stay healthy, save time, and stay safe. Thanks for watching and wishing you health and happiness.